It's my first entry into my pen pal challenge. Let's cut it open and see what's inside. Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for being here. I'm super excited. We have our first entry, and this one comes from Creating with Jovi. And I think I've decided to officially extend the challenge. So I'm going to extend it until November 15th. So please have your entries in postmarked by November 15th. And I'll have the introduction video in the description box below. Thank you so much for your entry, Jovi. And look how cool, you guys. Her envelope is this popcorn bag. That is so fun. And look how pretty she made an envelope out of fabric. Oh, this is amazing, Jovi. Oh, I love that. Look at this flower. We have a chipboard, an old vintage playing cord, a paper doll. We have some, I don't know what to call that, like netting or something in the back, and some paper. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this dangle here. That is so pretty, and I love all this ephemera, and she stitched it. That is so cute. Wow, Jovi. That is such a pretty idea, and I love it. Look on the inside. She's lined it. Oh, that is so awesome. I have to save this and put it in a journal some kind of way. Maybe my paper doll journal, since it does have a paper doll on it. Oh, these are so pretty, Je t'aime. Oh, I love these tags. Oh, Jovi, these are all paper dolls. Oh, yes, these are going to be perfect for the journal I'm working on now, the Doll Collector's Journal. I love that In Vogue, and that's like their cute little clothes. These background papers are so beautiful. Oh, look, that's one from her digital collection that she's collaged into a journaling card. So pretty, and I love this background here. Is that like a washi tape or something? What is that, Jovi? Let me know. So pretty with the gold accents. Oh, and this one too. How pretty. We both love to collage, so I just loved how she's collaged these. And it looks like maybe she's done a master board for the back and then cut it down and then pop these beautiful paper doll girls on top of them. These are just amazing. Thank you again, Jovi, for participating. Let's go ahead and write her name down. And I am using the notebook and a pen that was gifted to me. So let's do Pen Pal Challenge. Let's see. Number 1 is Creating with Jovi. Got you all penciled in. Yay! I'm so excited. So again, just want to remind you guys that I am extending the challenge until November 15th. So have your items postmarked. Gosh, I can't even speak by then. And I'm looking forward to more entries. Thank you, Jovi, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.